All right, we are on another video, same outfit, another video, same day though. I'm just gonna record myself cutting down a lot of this stuff over here, like that okra, and I might try to dig up these sweet potatoes. We're just gonna cut it down and get some fall stuff in. Now, I'm sorry, I look like a hot mess. It's okay because it is hot and I feel like a mess. My daggone animals is just going crazy over there, getting got by a hawk. But we're gonna fix it. What's up, dude?
Hi.
All right, Cameron, back. Oh, this ain't the camera show. You got homework, buddy. Can I have my hat back or you need it?
I need it.
Okay. Dang, I forgot what I was going to say. I know I need to water some stuff. I need to get rid of some stuff. I need to replant some stuff. I need to throw some stuff in the compost because it got burnt. Because I forgot I had it. Forgot I didn't even plant it.
Yeah.
So let's just, Cameron, do your homework.
Sorry.
So let's just get this done. Oh!
Ah.
Oh, look! Ew!
What?
It's a grasshopper.
Where?
Let me see. Matter of fact, I'm sorry, camera. Ooh, child.
What?
Cameron.
Yay! A grasshopper.
Catch it and put it to the chickens.
Well, how would I catch
Oh my gosh.
it? Yay!
He is just sitting. Here, Cam.
I got something.
He's gonna hop out of that. Here. Put him in this.
How would I catch
Just catch him. Ooh, hot. Here, sweep him. You gonna touch him, Cameron? If he hop
Heck yeah.
over here, Cameron.
Oh, shoot.
He is huge.
He's sitting there. Oh, it's getting ready.
You are brave. You look at my little brave Cameron.
Oh, shoot.
He's big. Oh gosh.
Hey, when I mean he is big, he is big.
He been eating good. That's why.
Mommy, no, mommy. I need those pliers.
Here, I'm gonna give you the shovel. And then just look into the chickens.
I almost killed a grasshopper and I cut his leg
All right, finish your
off.
homework, son. Yeah, we ain't catch him, but we gonna get him. He's somewhere. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and cut this stuff down. That was a big one. I think I need my machete for this one, so I'm gonna skip that. Oh, Cameron, this needs watering. All right, I got two green pepper. I'm not even gonna wait for these to turn red. I'm just gonna pick them now. It'll be all right. And get this harvest started. Get this stuff started for fall gardening. So this is the third green pepper. I've seen people overwinter these, but I'm not gonna do that. Meaning they cut the pepper plant down to the root, and then I don't know, they cut the green pepper plant down to the root, leave the root in there, cover it up with mulch, and then have it available for next season. I'm just gonna compost this. So let's just get rid of that. This one has pretty much stopped producing, so we're gonna get rid of this. Ain't nothing much on here because I need this space. This okra right here, we're gonna get rid of this. Again, we need the space. Let's see. I got a fish pepper. Oops, sorry. Fish pepper right here. Then we're gonna cut her down. I might leave her in here so she can give me some seeds because I see one more growing. I see one more fish pepper growing in, so I might leave that in there and let it just sit up there for seeds. That's enough, Cameron. Finish your homework. We're gonna harvest. Oh, we're gonna harvest some of this okra right here. This one is producing fairly well, so I won't cut that up. These plants right here, I forgot to plant them, so it's just gonna be compost. Just so you know, my yard looks crazy because my husband's lawnmower is in the shop. I guess, I don't know what's wrong with it, but his lawnmower is in the shop. Ooh, what is this on my arm? So here's my compost. I just put this cardboard in, so I didn't expect it to be compost and everything now. I just dumped that in a couple of days ago. But it's time for it to water. But underneath it, underneath the cardboard or whatever, it's looking good. It's going down pretty well. So it should we should be straight next next spring. I don't know what the bottom looks like because it's overgrown over here. And for me to want to be a farmer, have a garden or my farm den, I am such a scaredy cat of everything. Not of everything. I'm a scaredy cat of some things. So, but next year, I'm gonna learn how to use the weed eater. I'm gonna learn how to do a lot because I am serious about this thing. I was watching Drika Gates, Kevin Gates, and his wife. I don't know if they're still together. I don't know. I don't care about all the tea and anything about that, whatever Shade Room got to say or whoever's got to say something. Long story short, I was watching her and it was so inspiring to me. Crazy thing happened. My phone just shut off. It didn't want me to talk about me being inspired about what Drika Gates, Drika, forgive me if I'm pronouncing her name wrong. But it was just like a legit inspiration because what she's talking about, if you watch it on YouTube, and the farm that she bought, she just up and left LA and went to do her own thing. They went to do their own thing, got a farm, and it's like so dope. And that's something I really would love to do. My job, I need it, or I have my job because I have smaller children. Also, I have 4 children and we need health insurance, we need dental, so on and so forth. But my heart is really into this, truth be told. I like it. It's relaxing. It's like a peace of mind. And for me right now, it's not work. I know having a farm is work. And I don't want to necessarily say, oh, I want to live in a homestead and everything. I admire those people who do that. I think that's 100% dope. As of today, I can do it. What am I talking about? I'm sure I could do it. I can learn how to do that. But it's just, I want that relaxation, that peace of mind, that I don't need all that outside stuff interfering with, I don't know, it's just like mad peaceful out here. And never in a million years would I have ever thought that I would have chickens, being out in the country, living down south. For those, I don't know if I mentioned this in the past or not, but I was born and raised in New York City, and I moved down here when I was 28 years old. It was just at that time, myself and my 2 daughters. And, you know, it was just, oh, I hate it down south, da 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 da. I should have never left New York, but I like what I have right now. Right now, I'm complacent, it's chill. I miss my city a lot sometimes, just for little things like shopping and food and a friend or 2 here and there. But other than that, I mean, it's nostalgic to me, especially when I do go back home. But whatever. I like the fact that I have my chickens. I like the fact that I have this farmed in. I like the fact that I just have this space and my younger kids, my 2 boys, can run out here and play and be barefoot. I still don't rock with the barefoot thing. You can miss me with that. I'm putting on socks and shoes. And long story short, this whole Drika Gates thing is just like so super inspirational to me. I just like this. Anyway, enough of that. Unless you want me to elaborate. But enough of that. Let me go get the water hose and water my composting. Okay. So I'm just trying to wet down. And well, I need this cardboard anyway to be in here for some more carbon. But had I known I was going to start building those other beds in the back, those cardboard boxes would have been in those beds. I'm not going to dig it out. No. Ooh, what is that? Oh, no, I'm not going to dig it out. But, yeah, I like this. It's like, I thought somebody was coming, but it's the water hose moving behind me. I like this. This is like super chill. It's relaxing. My neighbor over there, she's really nice. They have ducks and chickens as well. I really, really, really would rather do this than what I do now. You know, I've been working between New York and then living down here. I've been working for a city, having a city job since I was 21, 22 years old. I'll be 42 in October. So that's 20 years of having a city job. And, you know, the insurance and everything, that's cool and all. My husband drives trucks. And if I wanted to, he can go over the road. And what he'll make over the road, I believe, will supplement my income if I were to resign or whatever. But as of now, I don't know if that would be a smart move, again, with having young kids. If my boys were 20-something, this would never be a question. This would never be a question. Anyway, I don't think y'all are here for that. I don't know, but that's just how I feel. So let's get back to this gardening stuff. Ooh. All right, new day. Last thing before we close out, stop this video, is we're gonna go and dig out these sweet potatoes. So let's just see what we have. All right, we're gonna do this with one glove because that's all I could find. My sons like to take these and use them as motorcycle gloves for their bikes. So let's get this started. We're gonna pull up these vines. A baby. So let's just see what we got here. Clearly I hadn't watered this in a few days because I didn't want to dig them up and they'd be wet and rip the skins. Last year was the first year I grew some sweet potatoes, and it was a pretty good and surprising harvest. Let's keep digging. I don't know when I put these in. It could have been early spring. That size. I don't think I'll have, well, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe. Oh, look at these. I'll take it. They could have stayed in a little bit longer. That. And what I'll do with these is I'll leave them in my shed for a while and let them cure. I think I bought these as slips from a store, from a nursery, I believe. But the ones that I grew myself last year, they were I'm gonna take these down. I need the space anyway, and I'll compost these. But the ones I grew last year that I had good success with was just sweet potatoes I had just sitting in the house. And I think I may just do that for years to come. Yeah, these weren't quite ready. Ooh, a centipede. Something is in there. We got a clump here. Yeah, they could, but you know what? I'm gonna eat them. They're just a little like this. Here's a decent sized one. I'm gonna leave them in this bucket. I'm not gonna wash them or anything. Yeah, I probably could have waited a little longer. A little longer. I think I might save this. Excuse me, save this and put it in another pot. And I have some sweet potatoes on my countertop in the kitchen that are starting to grow. Well, they have the vines on them. Stop, Maisie. All right, I'm gonna just use my non-gloved hand so I can feel what's going on. What I should be doing is dumping this soil, but maybe I should just go ahead and do it because, all right, I'm gonna stop being, I should have got a tarp. I don't have a tarp or anything to catch this soil. What are you doing, Maisie? What did you find? I'm not feeling anything. It seemed like I had better success with supermarket slips than I do right here. Like, it's nothing. I ain't even mad though. If you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is the same as this. You would see I think I had, and I donated it. I hadn't even eaten what I harvested, but it was about 9 pounds of sweet potatoes. Yeah, there's nothing in here at all. I keep thinking I'm getting clumps. I'm like, okay, I hit the jackpot, but it's just this. It's just soil. Whatever. I'm not even upset about it. I am not upset. I'm gonna just go ahead and amend this and put something else in here. Oh, I broke it, but here's something else. It's August. Today is what, August 29th? And I wonder, like, if I were to, like, plant the ones that I have in my kitchen, if I were to plant it in here, like, would I be able to harvest it? Will it work? Will there be any viable potatoes? Like, because I know they're not cold hardy. I don't think they are. Yep. Nothing. And even if I'm missing some little ones, I think it'll do its own thing and just, again, make the soil even better. Yeah, that's it. Nowhere near 9 pounds. Nowhere near as good of a harvest than what I had gotten last year. And I think I did dig up my sweet potatoes around this time last year. Yep, that's about it. I think we're gonna wrap it up here. But this is what I got, and I'm gonna just leave it in my shed and just let it cure, and we'll just eat these. I am drenched already. No, nothing that's good. And like I said, these were sweet potato slips that I had gotten from the store, and I don't believe I will go that route again. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just stick with what I have in the kitchen. These I'll just dump in the compost. And, oops, sorry, zinnias. And call it a day. All right, well, that's it. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate the new followers that I've had, that I now have. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.